get in the corner. What the hell was that?
What was that? Oh my god. I'm scared.
I'm not pissed, I'm not pissed.
Zach's trying not to do anything.
You put too much chocolate in that.
Zach, hump the fridge. Hump the fridge.
Why?
Hump. You're not on the fridge!
I came all over that shit, man.
Did you just lick the fridge?
I'm gonna do too much love.
Oh my god! You're not bending over, so she's gonna keep trying. The wall got patched. You got some nice legs. What time do they open? What?
Who the fuck do you think you're talking to?
What?
You.
Oh, it's not.
Yes, I would hold it against you because that's.
Can we go to IHOP? Let's go to IHOP.
No, we can't go to IHOP. We don't know what the fuck it is.
We have a GPS that knows where the fuck it is.
Yeah, if I take us to an IHOP that doesn't exist.
Like the Taco Bell. Tell Baby Cakes to say hi.
Baby Cake's playing.
I found a Pac-Man.
The orange level.
No. Did you find the apples yet? I wasn't facing anything.
I need a cigarette, so I'm gonna
Let's go.
here.
Let's go adventure.